Lesson 1-3, solving equations by multiplying and dividing. In this lesson, the most important concept to remember is going to be that multiplication and division are inverse properties. Okay? If you multiply by a number, you can undo it simply by dividing by the same number. All right? We're going to use this quite a lot when solving equations. So if we have an equation that has division, where we are dividing our variable by a number, all right, we're going to get rid of that division. We're going to move it by multiplying by the same number. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. All right. Our second step is to cancel. So we have a variable or a integer and we have a denominator. They're the same, so they cancel out. And then we're going to solve for our variable. X equals 3 times 4, or x equals 12. And then we can go back and we can check our answer. All right. The way we do this is just to go back to our original problem and input our value. So we have 12 over 4 equals 3. And if we simplify this, divide both by 4, we end up with 3 over 1, and 3 over 1 is equal to 3, so we know we have the correct answer. All right, that's it for this video.